Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, this is our day 4th of Speak English with me. You know, my name is Shivani Gupta and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. So friends, if I talk about the weather, literally it's on peak. Like the winter season, it's on peak right now because as we can see, like I don't know about your city's weather, your state weather. So friends, please do let me know in the comment section that how is the weather in your state right now. How is the weather in your city right now? Is it bitterly cold? Is it bone chilling cold? Is it piercing cold? Or is it like icy? Is it frosty? Please do let me know in the comment section, friends. Like if I talk about in Jaipur, right now it's sunny, and but in night it literally, believe me guys, it's piercing cold, and in the morning time it's bone chilling cold. It's completely foggy. Today it was completely foggy, friends, that even I was not able to see the next house beside my house, which is besides my house. Literally, it was that foggy today. So I was like, oh my god, how can I like do something? How can I work today? Because but then we know, you know friends, I need to make videos. So I went on terrace for some time and then I came back and then I felt like that let's make this video. So my wonderful co-learner, that we know that we are learning and we are improving our English along each like with together. I would say that friends, do let me know that why in what manner you are learning English. What is your way to improve yourself and what is your journey? How you want to learn spoken English? How will you improve? So if I just want to know from your end, please let me know in the comment section, friends, that what process you are following for improving your communication skills and enhancing your spoken English. So friends, if you will ask me that what process I have followed so far and still I have been following, then please guys, let me tell you. And the same process you can also follow if you want to speak like me. Although I'm just a beginner, I'm learning how to be fluent and how to be speak like a native speaker. But if you really want to start from your beginner level and want to become a fluent speaker, if you are dreaming about that and it's your resolution of 2026, then please believe me guys, this video is specially for you. It's especially for my beautiful co-learner, for my beautiful friends out there. So friends, please listen to me very carefully. Although I'm not providing you, I'm not teaching you over here, मैं कोई ज्ञान नहीं दे रही, but what I'm telling you, like this is the certain tips and tricks by which you can also be fluent, and not just fluent, you can also easily able to articulate your ideas, your opinion, your feelings, and what your explanations. So friends, without wasting of further, let's get into this video. Let's quickly see, okay, so these are certain tips and tricks. So friends, first and foremost thing, that do you like watching content? Do you like watching movies? Do you like watching web series? Like, do you watch web series by the way? If yes, then please let me know in the comment section. That's yes, Shivani, we like and we love watching content. So friends, if you wanna learn English, if you want to be a native speaker, if you want to be a fluent speaker, start watching content in English language. Start watching. And if you're watching it already in English, then what you can do, start watching it by seeing the subtitle, by watching the subtitles, by using the subtitles. Why? Because I'm saying it that if you're watching anything in English, by that you are simultaneously improving your listening skills. So by watching, you can improve your listening skills. So if you are listening to something and by watching it, like by watching the subtitles, you are side by side simultaneously you are listening to the video. So that thing will provoke you, or that thing will gonna train your mind. Okay, this is the correct sentence structure. This is how I can articulate my ideas, and this is how I can also speak in English. So that thing will gonna change from what? By watching online English content or from wherever you want to watch it. Please go and start watching it from today itself if you really want to speak English. Okay friends, I'm not forcing you, it's up to you, your choice. Second thing friends, we know that usually we feel stuck or we get stuck by using certain vocabulary. Sometimes words are refusing to come out of our mouth, and we just felt stuck or get stuck actually. Sometimes we just we are speaking, and somehow we feel like, oh my god, words are not coming out of our mouth and I'm not getting the right exact word. So for that thing, for improving your vocabulary, what you can do, you can learn one word in a day, or two words in a day, or three words. It totally your choice. It's totally depends on you, friends. Totally depends on you. If you can learn one word in a day, do that. But if you are pretty much more confident that I can learn two words, start doing that. But if you are like, no, I can learn 5 words in a day and make sentences and use it in my day-to-day conversation, start doing that now. It's up to you, friends. Start doing that. So you can watch English content, you can start learning one word in a day. Although I am making shorts video related to like one word of the day, by which also you can improve and enhance your vocabulary skills. Although I just try to deliver the exact right word, the exact kind of vocabulary by which we can together we can improve our vocabulary skill and our pronunciation, our spoken English. Although having said that, friends, this is the second thing that you can do. Third thing, what? For practice, yeah, like somebody some co-learner, I would say a person, commented on one my first video. He asked me that actually, Shivani, I'm not getting this sort of environment with whom I can practice or from where I can practice. So friends, believe me, today I'm going to tell you some wonderful platform, I would say the amazing kind of platform by which you can start speaking in English. If you are on your beginner level, even if you are on your intermediate level, or maybe if you are an advanced speaker, no matter, doesn't matter. But if you are having keen interest toward learning English, start doing it from today itself. So what are those platforms? Is Ace Fluency. You can use Ace Fluency to improve your spoken English. Second thing, you can also use PeerUp. PeerUp is also one of the finest platform that I have ever used. And PeerUp also, HelloTalk is also there, Duolingo is also there. And having said that, there are so many other platforms, but you can go and you can download them and you can start using them from today itself. So by which you will not just improve your, I would say, your speaking skills, but you will also be able to learn from the other co-learner. Suppose if you will get connected with one person, and suppose he's just a fantabulous speaker, she's just a fantabulous speaker, you will be speaking to him, her, side by side, you are automatically listening to her and his voice. Okay, this is how I can also frame sentence. Okay, this is the correct structure for the sentence. So see, friends, you just name it and I got it. So I am ready to give you solution for your problems, but the thing is that, are you taking the initiative or not? If you are taking the initiative, then please believe me guys, I'm always here ready to solve you. Okay, but if you don't want to start it from your end, then I cannot do anything, friends. Trust me, it's up to you, it's your choice. So friends, having said that, let's move to our next thing. I would say next tips. So far I have told you 3 tips that by you can also improve your communication skills and your spoken English. But having said that, friends, I was about to give you one example. Suppose if you are on your beginner level and you don't even understand how to speak English or how to write in English, let alone speaking in English. So for that thing, what you can do, friends, start writing like comments, or whatever videos you are watching, start writing comments under that video. Like after watching that video, go in the comment section and type your comment that, okay, I've learned this thing from this video and your video is fantastic, your video is, I would say, amazing, I learned a lot of things. Even if you are writing one line, friends, believe me, this thing will create what? You will start thinking. It will just boosting up your thinking skills. It is giving you the time to what? To push your mind, start speaking it. So this is what you can do. You can watch online content in English. You can, if you like listening to music, then you can listen to the music in English. Like you can, and side by side listening, you can also sing along with that music. So that also you can improve your pronunciation. Second thing, for vocabulary, I've already told you that you can learn one word in a day, not so many, just one word. Believe me guys, that I also learn one word in a day, so that I can improve and get in touch with this new words. Although you know, we are all learners, so we know, okay, this is a useful word. Like earlier I have given you a slave word and some other words as well, so that you can also improve and you can get to know that this word means this and how we can use this word. So friends, please tell me that, are you enjoying this session so far? Are you finding this video helpful? If yes, then please do let me know in the comment section. Next thing, that suppose if you are not confident enough, if you feel hesitation, if you feel shyness, you feel nervous, you feel fumble while speaking in English, while communicating to other people, what you can do to overcome this? You can start recording yourself. You can start talking to yourself. Even just for 5 minutes, start doing it. Chalo 2 minute hi kar lo. Start doing that. Start from like, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. It will just boost up your communication skills, your confidence. So you can do this. This is the tip number 4. Last and the final tip of this video is that do not jump on the advanced speaker, I would say the advanced English or the intermediate level. Just jump on that. If you're learning a vocabulary particular, start learning sentences as well. Like learn 2 things in a day. Either one word or one sentence. Believe me friends, suppose you have learned one sentence, then practice it. I'm not talking about that, okay, just go and learn it and write it. No, you have to give any kind of test. No, just read that sentence, okay, read a particular word and start using it in your particular day. If you have started using it, you will see the difference friends. You will see the difference. So you all know that in speaking English or in spoken English, there are 4 things: writing, listening, speaking and reading. So if you are doing all the 4 things, then believe me friends, you are on the right edge. But if you are missing anything, then it's okay. It's okay. Friends, trust me. We are on our journey. No? It's a beginning level. So don't worry about that, okay, we want to go so far and it's still so many things to learn. Believe me friends, we're gonna do each and everything. So I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. If you have enjoyed, if you have found out that, okay, we have learned something out of this video and I can solve, either if I was able to solve your problem, please do let me know in the comment section. And friends, I'll see you with another one just like this one. Till then, take care guys, and friends, keep practicing, keep doing it. Just focus on your goal that by the 2026 we want to be a fluent speaker, no matter how long it will gonna take, no matter how difficult it will gonna be. Just don't worry about that. What you need to worry that, okay, this is my target of the day, this is my goal, this is what I need to do. Even if you are feeling bored, I would say, start watching content. No, just do that. So friends, till then, take care guys. Bye bye.